Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles. So today I'm going to show you how to draw a character from the new Disney Junior show Superkitties. I'm going to show you how to draw Ginny. So to get started drawing Ginny, let's do the eyes. So I'm going to start with a circle. And I'm going to do another little circle here on the inside. And a small one right here. And then one right here. This last one I did, we can color that in all dark. All right, so now we can do a little point right here and then come on over and color that part in all dark. And now let's do the other eye. So we can give a bit of space and then do another circle. And we can try to make it the same size, but they don't have to be perfect. So we're just going to try to do really similar job to over here. And we've got a inside circle to do. And another one. And then this one here, we're going to color in all dark. All right, so next thing I'm going to do a little nose. So it's just going to be like a little upside down triangle right there. And we can do a little nostril on both sides. And then we can come on down a little bit, a little line, and do a little mouth. Do a little line right there. All right, so now we can come on up and over. Okay, just kind of come in under here and come on up. And we're going to do a little bit of a point here. Now we're going to come across, we're going to do a little U shape here and then meet up to that little spot and make a point. And then we're going to bring this line above the other eye. And it's going to be the same as over here. We're going to have a little point up here. And then this line is going to come on down and curve underneath the eye. So we're working on the mask here. So we're going to do a line around the whole thing. Just because the mask has a different color. The mask's main color is pink, but it has a little bit of a blue trim. So this is the blue trim that we're drawing here. All right, so next we're going to do the shape of the head. So we can start here and curve here under the mouth. Come on over this way. Very rounded shape. Okay, and now let's do some ears. So we'll do one ear here and another right here. And I'm going to do a little line right here. And one here and one here, just kind of for the inside of the ear. Now we can do a line here and over here, down underneath the eyes. And we can do a few little like stripes. I'm just kind of doing like zigzaggy lines as the little stripes. And a few on this side. All right, and next, let's get started on the body. So the head is a whole lot bigger than the body. Well, not a whole lot bigger, but it's a pretty big head for the size of the body. So we're gonna bring this line down a bit further and straighten up here. And now I'm gonna put a little foot here. And come on up. And a little line here, come on down for the other little boot. And come on up. And we can do a little arm here. And it's going to be a little hand on the hip. So this is going to be an elbow. And this here is going to be a little armpit. And bring a line here. And then we've got a little fist. And right here, draw a line, and it's going to connect to right here. Now we can put the other arm right here. It's also going to be on the hip. So we'll just see a little elbow here. And we can have a little tail coming on up. And I'm going to add a few stripes on the tail too. And now we can draw a belt. And we're going to do an oval here. And over here we can do a stripe here and another. And 1, 2, 3 ovals on the glove. And we can do a little stripe here and another one. And we can do a heart shape right here in the middle of the chest. And that heart shape is going to be in the shape of a cat's head. So we got 2 ears, and we can round out the shape of that head. Now we can do a little line, curve it, and same thing. And right here, we're going to do another little line, and same thing. And that line is going to go past the belt and come on down like that to the boot. So a little line here and one on the other side. And we're going to do another line and another line. So there we go, we're finished drawing, and now I'm going to get started with the coloring. All right, so we are finished our drawing. Thank you for drawing with me today. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everyone, goodbye.